Don't ever go wrong when choosing a color palette again. If you're wondering how to create visually harmonious and stunning color scheme, then keep watching. I'm going to be breaking down the 60-30-10 color rule. I'll explain the basic principles and show you some real-life examples that will inspire you in your next design project. Before we jump into details, let's understand what the 60-30-10 color rule is all about. The rule is a simple but effective way to create balanced and cohesive color schemes for your design projects. In graphic design, color plays a really important role in evoking emotions, creating harmony, and guiding the viewer's attention. This rule is a simple yet powerful concept. As the name suggests, the rule is based on 3 main colors that will make up the entire color scheme: 60, 30, and 10. These percentages represent the distribution of color within a design, adding harmony and visual interest to the overall composition. Let's see how this works in practice. Now imagine you're designing a poster, a website, a brand, or whatever creative project. 60% is the dominant color. This is the primary color that will cover the majority of your design, such as the background or the main element. 30% is the secondary color. The secondary color complements the dominant color and adds visual interest. 10% is the accent color. Lastly, the accent color is the one that brings a pop of vibrancy and energy to your design. It's sparingly applied to highlight specific details, call to action buttons, or any other elements you want to draw attention to. To better understand the 60-30-10 color rule, let's take a look at some real-life examples. Here, you can see how the black tone is the dominant color, and it sets the mood for the entire brand. It makes sense in the logo. The off-white color is the secondary color, and it supports the dominant hue, adding depth to the design. Notice how it contrasts with the primary color. Black and white create the highest contrast possible, so that's a nice example. Lastly, the magenta brings a touch of life and excitement, and although it's used only in details, it makes the design more engaging. Now, before I get into the last few details about color, go ahead and sign up for Kittl using the link in the description. If you've been struggling with color, Kittl makes it super easy for you to experiment with different color combinations. Plus, we have a built-in color palette tool that will help you recolor your designs. Not to mention, we have tons of other tutorials like this for you to check out in our channel. Okay, so if you're ready to put this rule into practice, here are some essential tips for using the 60-30-10 color rule. Simplicity is key. Stick to a limited color palette to avoid overwhelming your audience and maintaining a clean, polished look. Know your brand and audience. Understanding your brand's identity and your target audience's preferences will help you choose colors that resonate with them. Experiment. Don't be afraid to play around with different color combinations. Use design tools or color pickers to find the perfect shades that work harmoniously together. Test for accessibility. Ensure that your color choices meet accessibility standards to make your designs inclusive to all viewers. And that was the 60-30-10 color rule explained. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty of more design tips, tricks, and tutorials coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.